Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. I hope you enjoy the Fall Dollar Tree Extravaganza 2020. There is many ladies on this hosting night. We first have the host, which is Regal Designs by Shushana. Love My Babies Forever with Tamara. Home Decor DIYs and More with Tangie. Dolly's Awesome Home Decor Arts and Crafts with Dolly. Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. MomDas Life Handmade with Mom. Me, Myself, and DIYing It with Tammy. And Kiki's DIYs. This is part of Shushana's Falling into Fall series 2020. So I hope you like what I created. I found these little frames at Dollar Tree and they're cute, but I don't have any littles. And I thought they had a really cool, unusual shape. And I was thinking, oh, what could I do for this week? Because she holds these every Thursday. And she's doing it all through the rest of August and the month of September. She also has some videos on Wednesdays. So anyway, I got a feeling, guess what? These look like candy corn. So I painted it all white a few times so it would cover up the lettering. And I decided I didn't know if I wanted to keep the frame dark, white, or paint it along to look like candy corn. So I painted it white, which really helped because when you're using, most of it is chalk paint, but when you're using acrylics, they don't stick too well to plastic, and it takes forever to get them covered up. So the white chalk paint worked really well for this. It's a really good base. Okay, so I divided my paper into thirds, and I'm putting down the yellow. What I did was I mixed a lighter yellow and put just a dab of orange in it. You can see I already painted this middle sections orange. I'm making 2 of them. And I had to go over them quite a few times. And now I'm painting the frame. And I had to go over that quite a few times. I just put it up to the cardboard where I painted and made little pencil lines on it so I could see where to paint. you guys enjoy nothing more than to watch me paint. Not quite sure why I left this in. Sometimes editing is the toughest part of the whole video. And if you think we shoot it in one shot, we don't. It's a series of clips that we edit together. Okay, this is my first printing on the Cricut. So I printed out Hello Fall and put the paper over them and put them on my sign. And I had 2 rulers there, wooden rulers from Dollar Tree. Almost everything comes from Dollar Tree except the box I'm using. So I'm using the Waverly wax to stain them. Did both sides. Did anybody notice how my fingernails changed color? And here are some foliage, and I love these little paper sunflowers from Dollar Tree. They're so cute. Putting on a few colorful leaves on the signs. And I've only had that Cricut since Christmas and have been intimidated as heck to use the thing. And I finally was playing around with it the other day and got it to work. Well, I couldn't get it to sync up with the Bluetooth, and finally I did the other day. So I got this box at a thrift store, and it had strawberries on the side, and it was pretty banged up. So I used the Waverly wax and I painted front and back, and I left the sides natural and the inside natural. So now I'm going to glue the signs to the box and put the one higher than the other one. You can see I adjusted the rulers to make one higher and one lower. And as I slather it with glue, and you notice there's a few little mungs in the sides, so I go back and touch those up later. Putting the fall one down a little lower. Okay, there it is. And I think it's cute. And you're saying to yourself, what is she going to do with that? Well, what I'm doing with it is I'm putting a couple of containers in there, and then I'm going to get candy corn and fill them up. Oh, I just picked this up to move it and looked at it, thought it was so cute, I better put it on the front. Because those sunflowers are so cute. I probably will go now and they won't have any left. And I did get some little tiny bitty miniature ones. So there it is. Tell me what you think. And do you like candy corn? Tell me below if you like candy corn. So there it is, all done. You can see the containers in it. I just haven't been out to the store in over a week to get candy corn. I think it came out really stinking cute, but you let me know what you think. I know some people hate candy corn, but I don't know why. Oh, thanks for coming to my channel and thanks for watching. Bye for now.